So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Hit that notification button so that you may be notified whenever I post. And to the OGs, what's up? What's going on? And what you doing? I know, guys, it's been a minute, but we move. Today we are doing a skin-based winter look. So our skin is giving full coverage, it's giving a clear skin, it's giving a yummy face, a gorgeous look for this winter. Baby, you just want to be good, hey? You just want to be good. So we're not going to talk about the product much, but we are going to dive in. Yes. So to begin with, I am taking the Netrogenia Sunscreen after I've done my skincare routine. So you want to do your skincare routine so that your skin stay hydrated and you don't have flakiness and everything, especially when you want to do your face or your makeup. So I will apply the coconut oil for a glowy finish because you want to work on a hydrated canvas, so it is important to moisturize your skin, especially in this season. I'm going in with a primer to hydrate my skin, and it is very important that guys you apply or you put a primer that is suited for your skin type, whether you have a dry, oily, or combination skin type, so that you can achieve better results. And again, a primer will help to grasp your makeup and protect your skin from absorbing the makeup. And a primer, it gives a good pigmentation, so you want to do that, guys. Like you can see, I am doing my eyebrows. I do not know where I got this eyeliner or whatever. I think I got it from the China mall. Yes, and I wanted to do a feathery eyebrow, but you know your girl doesn't want minimum eyebrow. So you'll see later that I went in with a black liner just to achieve that thick and visible brow. So it is my favorite. Here I was just doing a first impression of this concealer that I got from a package. So yes, I'm quite pleased. I will review it next time I'm doing my face again or whenever. Stay tuned. So now we're gonna go in with a glowy primer to achieve that glowy look. So this step, guys, it is optional. So we're gonna go into our foundation. So I am using a cream foundation. It is very good for winter to use a cream foundation. This foundation, guys, it is bomb.com. Like the way it applies, the way it sits on your skin, oh my goodness, you don't want to play, child. So the purpose of applying foundation is to even up your skin tone and to smooth out your imperfection. Please guys, can we just give a shout out to my skin? It is so glowy, it is so beautiful, it is so clear. Like when I say it is very imperative to like do your skincare routine in winter, keep your skin hydrated, guys. Will emphasize it. Keep your skin hydrated, moisturize your skin, wash your face twice a day, and do not forget to mask and scrub your face at least twice or 3 times a week. You'll achieve the good results. So now I'm going to use this dark foundation from Maybeline, and it is hard for us deep tone skin to get something, especially when coming to concealer. It is hard to find a deep concealer to snitch and to chisel our face guys, so I must say this foundation, the tone, it is good, and even with my undertone, like, it is perfect. So before we go to the Fenty and all that, we need to start here at the bottom. So now I am using the foundation brush just to blend the contouring foundation. You can use concealer, but for me this is what I'm using. Plus remember that my base was thick, was cream, so it's good for me that I'm using that. The brush is from Essence, so I'm loving the brush. The breezes are so dense, like it's snatched my face. And I'm using this concealer. I first put it into sit so that I will have a full coverage of that concealer. Of course, this concealer, it is good, it is good, it is good. It doesn't leave your face cakey, it blends very well, so I'm loving it. And guys, please excuse my sniffing in this video. When I say it's cold, it's very cold, so continually I'll be sniffing. So yeah, it's none of your business. Check out my description box so that you get all the product that I've used today with their brand's name and the shades that I've used. So now I am going in with my foundation brush, going over where I've placed my contouring and highlights so that you won't see the demarcation lines, that where it ends and where it starts. So it is important that you go in with the foundation brush or whatever brush, just to create a seamless look. And I am taking my powder to set the concealer. So guys, I'm gonna leave you here. Just watch while I am doing what I do the best. So yeah, I will come back when it's time for me to do my eyes. So sit back and just watch the girl snatching her face like. I'm back. So guys, can you give a shout out for my clean brush again? And if you have questions or you want some clarity or you want to ask anything, just comment. Do not forget to like while you're still there. If you're not subscribed, do the right thing. Subscribe to this channel. Let's grow. I know that I haven't been committed. It's my fault. It's my bad. But hey, I'm tired of promising and your girl doesn't show up. Yes, guys, I'm trying to create this content. If I can tell you, I have gazillions and gazillions of content, but posting dololo. So yeah, Lord help me, please. For eyeshadows, we're using the Makeup Revolution and Tammy Tropical Paradise eyeshadow palette. So I was trying to achieve a burnt orange. It is still hard for me to achieve that. Sometimes if I try it, it goes like it's burgundy, or it's too orange, like how you see that I will put too much orange. But I'll keep on doing it until I get it right. And I must say, guys, here I was even shooting for my Instagram. So yeah, I was using two cameras, which was my phone and the camera that I normally shoot for my YouTube content. So now, yeah. And on my inner crease, I am going in with the darker shade just to create that dimension, because you know your girl does not have a deep crease, so I try to finesse every time in order for my eyes to have a young shape. So that's what I'm doing, and it's been so helpful. Believe me when I say so, it's been so helpful. I'm going in with the concealer brush in order to like outline my eyebrows, and I will blend with my fingers because your finger can do a better job than your brushes. Now I'm outlining my wing. Oh guys, am I the only one who pull their face when you want to put on a liner? It is so weird. I look so weird. My goodness. So guys, like I said, we're gonna talk about taking care of your skin, especially in winter. It is very, very important. I can't stop emphasizing the importance of doing your skincare. Do not sleep with your makeup on. Try, I know that it is difficult, but try not to sleep with your foundation on or whatever. At least once a week, do your, it's either your masking or you scrub. Probably you put that scrubber on the in the bathroom, so that whenever you wash your face you wouldn't forget, you know. So because I get a lot of people, they ask me, how do I keep my face so clear, why I don't have some young spots and what's not. The thing is, I try by all means to take care of my skin. Now guys, let's talk about this lip do. I didn't like it, but I will try to like put a concealer so that at least I wanted something pinkish or something. I knew that that color, it was purple, but still I went in. But now I feel like with the ombre, I love it. So guys, I wasn't doing a very formal kind of look because guess what, it's at night. I just came from church and I was so motivated by today's word, and I decided to film. I decided to pull up and film. If I didn't do it this day, which means I wouldn't do it ever. So yeah, I am going to wash my face. I'm not going anywhere because it's at night. Washing my face and go straight to bed. So as you can see, I'm coating that mascara because I'm not wearing any lashes. I love how my lash look. I don't have lash, I'm not gifted, but when you coat your lash with mascara, it's perfect. It's perfect. We've come to the conclusion of this look, which I love so much. And yeah guys, thank you so much for reaching this far. Please, If you've reached this far, can you send this flower, the pink flower, just to know that you've reached to this end of this video. And my face, it's giving clear, it's giving good skin. I'm loving. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. See you in the next video. I love you.